Two fragile lives play freely in the endless white. Far beyond their games, their mother enters a hunt where failure is not an option. In the Arctic stillness, two young cubs awaken to scents, carried by the restless wind. Driven by instinct, they venture beyond familiar ground, following a scent only they can detect. With every careful step, they move farther into a world ruled by ice and wind. The wind shifts, carrying a scent that does not belong to Seal. Far across the ice, a dark shape forms against the frozen world. In spring, a dominant male patrols the melting Arctic coast. For cubs hidden nearby, his presence can mean mortal danger. Unaware of danger, the cubs mistake a lone male for harmless company. She waits beside the seal's breathing hole, patience carved by hunger. But something shifts, an unnatural silence behind her. Instinct shifts. The hunt abandoned, she turns toward a different urgency. Each massive step fractures the ice, urgency outweighing hunger. Driven by instinct, the mother moves without hesitation. She rises, transforming fear into a towering warning. Her roar carries across the frozen silence. He pauses, weighing risk against reward. Two giants stand locked in the storm. The silence shatters as instinct turns to action. Power meets power in a brutal collision. The battle grinds on across the frozen sea. Injury could mean death in this frozen world. The storm moves on, and the cubs remain safe.